In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the product key for Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. If you've ever needed to reinstall Windows or transfer your license, knowing your product key is essential. Let's walk through this simple process together, ensuring you have everything you need. First, head over to the search bar on your Windows 11 taskbar. This is typically at the bottom of your screen, marked by a magnifying glass icon. Click inside the search bar and type the letters CMD. This stands for Command Prompt, a tool that allows you to execute various commands directly through text. Once you've typed CMD, you should see the Command Prompt application appear in the list of results. But we're not going to open it as we normally would. Instead, it's important to run it with administrative privileges to ensure we have the necessary permissions. So right-click on the Command Prompt option that appears, and from the menu that pops up, select Run as Administrator. This will open a new window which may be slightly different from the usual Command Prompt window because it has elevated access rights. With the Command Prompt open in Administrator mode, you'll notice it might ask for permission before proceeding, especially if you have user account control enabled. If you see a pop-up asking for confirmation to allow the program, go ahead and click Yes. Now we are ready to input our query. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command carefully and accurately. WMIC Path Software, Licensing Service, get OA3X Original Product Key, and then press Enter. This specific command is telling your computer to retrieve the original product key from the software licensing service. It's important to type it exactly as shown, so double-check for any typos or misspellings before pressing Enter. After executing the command, the screen will refresh, and you'll see a long string of numbers and letters appear. That, my friends, is your Windows 11 product key. Make sure to write this down, or securely save it for future reference. It can be a lifesaver in situations where you need to reinstall the operating system or migrate your setup to a new device. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to uncover your Windows 11 product key. Remember, keeping this key safe is crucial for maintaining control over your Windows installation. I hope this guide was easy to follow, and that you found exactly what you needed. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be sure to help you out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.